Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can share your Spotify screen or like the music which you're listening on Spotify to be able for your friends to listen to it as well. So let me show you how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you have to make sure your Spotify is opened on the background and you're listening to a song. And if you're listening to a song and your Spotify is running on the background, what you can do is go on a voice channel on a Discord. Now a voice channel is a place where a group of person can join in and they can talk with each other. So right now if anybody else is over here on the call, then they can listen to what I'm listening on Spotify. But what you need to do is click on screen, and over here you need to choose where it says Spotify. But right now Spotify is not being shown over here on my Discord. I don't know why. It should be. Alright, so Spotify has just been shown over here. So go on applications and choose Spotify. Once you choose Spotify, don't choose anything over here. Just make sure it's whatever you have over here and click on go live. Once I click on go live, my Spotify screen is going to be shown over here like this, and whichever music I'm listening on Spotify, the other person can also listen if he decides to join my live. But if he doesn't join my live, he can't listen to the song which I'm listening to. Alright, he has to join my live by coming into general and choosing my live. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can show or make your friend listen to the song which you're listening. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.